got this truck, and I noticed it was making weird metallic planing noises at low speeds. It was really driving me nuts, and I just tried and tried to figure out what was wrong with it. I put a GoPro underneath, and here's what I found. You get the idea. Couldn't see anything though. Crawled all under the truck. Couldn't find anything loose. Nothing rattling around. Nothing rubbing anywhere. Everything looked good. It was really stumping me though. And my wife had the idea, what if it could be inside a tire? And I hadn't thought of that. And so it sounded like it was coming from the driver's side rear tire. I pulled it off and bounced it, and sure enough, I got it to simulate that. So I take the truck up to the tire shop, and I have them remove the tire. Service tech comes back in, says he didn't find anything. I was like, well, we better take another look. And he agreed, but begrudgingly. And he went out and pulled the tire off, and I was like, try bouncing it, see if you can make that noise. And he bounced it, nothing happened. And he kind of had this smug grin on his face at this time. And I was like, well, let me give it a shot. And so I bounced it, and it didn't make the noise. I rotated, bounced it, didn't make the noise. I rotated and bounced it, and it made the noise. And then when he realized that there was something banging around in there, he cracked the tire off the rim again, and he looked inside, and he found this. This is the tire pressure sensor. As you can see, it's broken off. The stem's broken off of it, and so this was just tumbling around in the wheel. I guess at low speeds it was just sticking to the tire enough, and then it'd fall and hit the rim in the center. And when it got up to high speeds, it would just stick to the tire. The centrifugal force would hold it into the tire. So anyways, this would apply to any modern vehicle with a tire pressure sensor. This happened to happen on a Toyota Tundra, but it doesn't matter what make or model. If you hear a metallic clanging noise outside of your car and you just can't figure out what it is, you're not finding anything loose, maybe it could be this. Hope this helps you.